What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Today's video is all about your hair. More specifically, I will show you 7 advices that will help you to grow your hair as fast as possible. So if you want to increase your hair growth and also want to have shiny and healthy hair in general, definitely make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we're going to start with today's video, take a quick second guys and smash that like and subscribe button down below so I can help you out with daily videos to become your best version ever. Alright, let's hop into the video and start with the first advice that will help you to grow your hair as fast as possible. So tip number 1, you might already know it, but still a lot of guys are doing it. Don't wash your hair every single day. Especially if you wash your hair with shampoo. Shampoo is most of the times very rough to your hair, especially if you use a shampoo that contains a lot of chemicals. Instead, you should only wash your hair every second or third day, and also replace your regular shampoo with a shampoo that is only or mostly made out of natural ingredients. So always make sure that you check the ingredients of your shampoo first and only choose one that contains at least 80% of natural ingredients. I will also link you my favorite shampoo that I'm currently using that is only made out of natural ingredients and contains a lot of amino acids which will fasten your hair growth in the description of this video, so you can directly check it out. Let's continue with number 2, have the right supplements. Some of the most effective supplements for hair growth and the health of your hair in general are, for example, zinc, biotin, OPC, MSM, and certain amino acids like, for example, L-arginine. They will simply help you to fasten your hair growth and also to produce healthier and thicker hair as well. Especially the supplements OPC and L-arginine are incredible to increase the blood flow and blood circulation, which will support your body to get all the nutrients to your hair follicles. So basically, if you want to grow your hair as fast as possible, implement the right supplements into your diet. Let's continue with number 3, don't damage your hair with heat. For example, if you always wash your hair with hot water and you are also using a blow dryer on a consistent basis, you will just damage your hair, and therefore you will slow down your hair growth. My personal recommendation would be to wash your hair with cold soft water or mid-warm water and also letting your hair naturally dry. This will definitely help you to prevent any hair damage and therefore grow your hair as fast as possible. Number 4, let's talk about your diet. If you want to grow your hair as fast as possible, you should focus on eating enough protein and also drinking enough water as well. Those are the 2 main components of your hair and are needed for your hair growth. So in terms of protein, always eat 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight. Some incredible protein sources are beans, lentils, nuts, oats, and also green leafy vegetables. Besides that, try to drink at least 3 liters of water per day. Be consistent with it, and I promise you, your hair will grow 10 times faster. Let's continue with number 5, replace your regular pillowcase with a silk pillowcase. Your hair will simply not grow if it keeps breaking. That's why by just replacing your regular pillowcase with a silk pillowcase, you will simply prevent your hair to be damaged overnight due to friction with your pillowcase. Silk is simply way softer to your hair and skin as well, which in the end can help you to grow your hair faster. Let's continue with number 6, drink nettle tea. Nettle tea contains a lot of vitamins and minerals that will support your hair growth. It is also proven that drinking nettle tea will improve the blood circulation and blood flow as well, and therefore ensure that your hair follicles get enough nutrients. So if you want to grow your hair as fast as possible, drink every day 1 to 2 liters of nettle tea. And finally, number 7, don't wash your hair while it is wet. When your hair is wet, it is very fragile and can easily be damaged. That's why you should avoid to brush it when it is still wet, simply to prevent any damage, and therefore your hair will stay healthy and can grow faster as well. And that's basically it for today's video. Those are my 7 advices that you can use in order to grow your hair as fast as possible. Also guys, make sure to smash a like and subscribe button down below so I can help you out with daily videos to become your best version ever. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next